Have you ever seen someone turn $100 into $1,000 in a matter of days and wondered how? Well, the answer is likely options. But before you jump in, let me show you exactly what they are and how they work. But right, so let's begin here with the very important question: what are options? And in very simple terms, options are contracts that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to either buy or sell the underlying asset. So the underlying asset can be things like stocks, but even cryptocurrencies, forex, and so on and so on. And it gives you the right to buy or sell at a specific price and on or before a certain date. So don't worry, right now it might sound pretty complicated, but as I mentioned in the intro, we will go through this in a step-by-step manner. So don't worry if it sounds a little bit complex right now. But already you need to learn about the two main types of options. First of all, we have a call option, and this is for buying or going long. And we also have the put option, which is for selling or going short. By the way, if you want to learn more about the difference between going long and going short, I do have a video about that, and I'll make sure to link that video up in the video card and description. But now, another important thing to know about options is the standard contract size. So very often when you buy one option contract, you're actually buying 100 shares, or the contract is based on 100 shares. This is important to have in mind throughout the rest of the video. Lastly here, options can be used for two things, or they can be used for more, but the two main things here are: one, speculation, or in other words, trading. And this is probably why you are, here. Or they can also be used for something called hedging. And when you hedge, that is basically you use things like options to protect a position. So for example, if you are owning Tesla, you might want to buy Tesla put options to, for example, hedge on an earnings report or something similar like that. So you can use them to either trade or hedge. But all right, so now let's quickly go over some important options trading terms you need to know. All right, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full options trading guide right here on YouTube. To watch the full video, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I'll see you all over there very, very soon.